90-degree bracket support installation. Suppose now we have the following materials: 40-40 aluminum profiles, 90-degree bracket support, cylindrical headboards, T-nut. Here are the instruction of steps. First, attach the cylinder headboards from the inside of the bracket with the T-nuts. Then, put the T-nut into the groove. Twist the bolt to rotate the nut 90 degrees. Tighten the bolt to fix it on the profile. Finally, tighten with an Allen wrench. At this point, the 90-degree bracket installation is complete. Thanks for your watching.